Okay, so hope you are in the terminal. You will write there npm install axios npm install axios npm install axios. Enter. Hope installation is going on. Installation is done. npm install axios. So axios is for what purpose? It is a extra package of JavaScript that will help you to communicate from the front end to back end. It is extra package of JavaScript that will help you to communicate from front end to back end in React. AXIOS. It has a method called get. Using that we can receive the data. It has a method called post. Using that we can send the data. It has a method called delete. Using that we can delete the data. And it has a method called put. Using that you can update the data. So get for bringing post for sending, put for updating, and delete for deleting. 4 functions. Okay, it has one more called option, but we are not going to use the option function. Get post, put delete. Get post, put delete. 4 functions. Now, this component you have seen. Let's come to the your class component. We'll create the next file api1.js. api1.js under which folder? Class folder. src folder need anyone? Wait, I will give you. src folder is available in your chat. You can use that folder. Okay, now let's come to the folder. Hope you created the file api1.js. api1.js. This api1.js will help us to bring the data from other file. So how to work on that? Go to your api1.js is under the class folder. Under the public folder, you have a public folder also here. Under public folder, you create a file, something data1.js, response.data, some other file you create, else you will get misled. Okay, give file name here called item.js. Sorry, item.json. Item.json file name. File name item.json. File name item.json. Item.json is ready. This item.json is going to hold some data in single dimensional array this way. Suppose write some item name apple box rice potato banana contain milk. Some more things can add. So page will look valuable if the data will come. Okay, you have one JSON file. That JSON file is holding some content in the form of array. JSON file is holding some content in the form of array. This array should get read by API1.js file. This array should get read by API1.js file. Okay, clear. Come to the API1.js file now. See, there is no semicolon in the last. If you create a JSON file, it is array itself, just single dimensional array, but we don't have to keep any kind of semicolon in the last. If you put semicolon, your library will be uncomfortable to read the content. Library will not be able to read the content. Okay, so come now, API1.js file, import inside React, comma, component, NANT component from React, and import one more library that is called import AXIOS from Axios. Import Axios from Axios. So we have installed that library just now, Axios, that library we are calling. Now after that, we will write a class, give class name called API1 extends component. Extends component. Go inside constructor, you can follow, and constructor will have super function. After that, we will create a this dot state equal to item list colon square bracket as a empty array. This dot state equal to square bracket empty array. Now come down, follow the render method, and in render method use the return and div class name equal to container empty4 if class name equal to row div class name equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 4. Inside the 4, using h3 display total items this dot state dot item list dot length. This dot state dot item list dot length. Do the export of this file and call under the import under the app file, add a link and check whether page is loading or not. Export default API1. Okay, here we are ready. Call this file in app.js file. Link and confirm once the page is loading or not. Import API1 from class as API1. Give the path also API1. API1 we can write here. The path is API1. Just load the component call. So hope your data is coming here. API one page is ready. Total items are how many? Zero. Zero or more than that. Because as of now, our array is empty array. It has nothing inside. It's an empty array. So item list is still empty. So item list has to come from where? Data has to come from item.json file and it's stored under the item list array. From there only listing and other activity will happen. So for that, you are going to write inside. Let's write a function called getItem. GetItem. Alert this getItem. Okay, I am calling. Check this reload function. This getItem function is getting called or not? Error? Anyone have error or no error? Okay, I am calling. Check once. This function is getting called or not? It should not get called. It's not getting called, right? Because we have not called the function anywhere. We have to call the function, then only it will work. Just you wrote the function. You have not called it anywhere. We need to call the function. So how you have written the render function? We are using the render function. We have a function called super function. Super function we have used. Render function we have used. Similar way, we have one more function. Constructor you have not called anywhere. Render also you are not calling. Just wrote it. It's calling automatically. Same way, we have a life cycle method. Constructor is also part of life cycle. Render is also part of life cycle. So first constructor execute, after that render execute. First constructor, second render. Okay. Now after constructor render will call. After render, we have one function that will call automatically. Check that here. Component did mount. Component did mount means component execution is over. At the end of your page execution, once your page will load properly, everything will be displayed in the browser. After that means after render, this function is going to call. That is called component did mount alert. Right inside call auto call. Auto call. Auto call happening. Component did mount will get called automatically. Okay. First constructor, second render, third component did mount. Now inside component did mount, we will call this function. So component did mount will come automatically. We are going to utilize that function. We will call inside this dot get item. Clear? Will call automatically now. Once your page will load, automatically auto call will happen. We go here. I am calling, like it's calling automatically. I am calling is coming from this function, from the get item function. Get item function you call where? Under the component did mount. Component did mount will execute automatically. Once it will execute automatically, along with that, our function will also get called automatically. People ask in interview, what is the life cycle method? You will say those functions that call automatically according to need. That is called a life cycle method. For example, constructor. Whenever this page will load, constructor will call automatically. Okay, whenever this page will load, constructor will call automatically. Along with that, whenever this page will load, render will call automatically. That becomes your life cycle method, life cycle function. Same way, once the render will get finished, then component did mount will call automatically. Right? So people ask, tell me some life cycle method and tell me their sequence. What is the use of that? You need to say constructor has a life cycle function, it will call automatically. It used to initialize the variable. Render is a life cycle method, it call automatically after constructor, it used to print the statement in the browser. Component did mount is another life cycle method that will execute after render. Okay, that used to call something on page load. So what we are doing? We are calling get item on page load. Come next. Under this function now, get item function, we are going to send a request to that item.json file to get the list of that. You have called a library on the top, Axios. Right? We can use fetch function also. Fetch function also we can use. You want to use fetch function? Okay, let's remove Axios from here. We will use the fetch function first. We have used in JavaScript already fetch function to read the data. Same thing we'll use here. Axios will use in some other example. Get item function, fetch method you remember, fetch fetch. Inside the fetch we have to give the name of those files that we want to read. So which file we want to read? We want to read item.json. Item.json. After that, you will call a function. Dot then is called a promise function. For what purpose? To capture the response. Fetch function will send a request. Now from there some response will come. Like example, I have given you the idea. Through one hand, you will throw the stone. A stone will go touch the wall. Or maybe through one hand, you will throw the ball. Ball will go and touch the wall. Now ball will come back. One hand, the hand has thrown the ball that cannot capture the ball again. Another hand has to capture. Right? So that is called fetch function. Fetch function send a request, but fetch function cannot capture the response. Associated with the fetch function, there is another function that is called then. It's called a promise function. What it will do when the response will come, those response that is requested by fetch function, those response that is requested by fetch function will be captured by then function in any variable response. But this response will come in the form of encrypted data. You have to convert into JSON object. JSON object. Here is called variable dot JSON. Still you have not received the data in the form of array. You have to apply again then function to receive the data in the form of array. Then we can write here all item, write a alert here, all item dot length, all item dot length. Check now, all item dot length is coming. I made all a small. All item dot length. Okay. So here should be the output. See, by default is coming as a depend how many elements you have added inside the array. 9 has come. Carefully you can see. Suppose go to the other component props. Once we go to the props API, you need to see first that h1 is printing or alert is coming. Just देखिएगा ध्यान से. Once I go to the API, first h1 will print or alert will come. Check everyone. Check your own. First h1 or alert. First h1. Look at here. When I go here, first h1, after that alert. First h1, then alert. Let me come back again. I'll show you. See, go to other component, then come back. You will identify. First h1, then alert. Right? So when h1 has come, how h1 came? Who printed the h1? Render function. h1 got printed in the browser because of render. That meaning render has executed first. Inside render, you are using the item list. Item list dot length you are finding. It is not throwing any error. It is coming by default how much? 0. That meaning before running the render function, item list variable was ready. So that represent constructor has executed first. Then who has executed? Render. Render has printed the h1 in the browser. After h1, you are getting the alert. So alert come from which function? Get item function. Get item you are calling where? Under the component did mount. That meaning component did mount has executed after the render. Correct? Now, component did mount has called a function get item. Get item went to the JSON, bring the data, and after that convert it into the array. This array now, the array, what is the array name? All item. All item is the array name. This all item you are going to assign to this dot set state. Under the set state, you have a variable. Which variable? Item list colon all item. Check now. Are you getting the length? Length should come now. Length should come now. Total how many? 9. 8, 9, 6, whichever you have, that should come in your browser. Okay, let's go next. So what it says like when we are, so here you got the length. If anyone asks the question in this example, your render function is calling how many times? Check once and reply in the chat. In this example, render function is calling how many times? How? No one replied. Reply कीजिए. Render function is calling in this example how many times? Two times. When and when? First, listen. पहले बताता हूँ मैं. First, when the page has loaded, render has called automatically. It has displayed a 0. After that, your component did mount call. Component did mount will call to whom? Get item. Get item will bring the data, convert into array, and give to whom? Set state. And under the set state, you are updating the item list. Item list is the part of the state. And we have discussed from beginning, whenever you change the value of the state, whenever you change the value of the state variable with the help of set state, your render function will call automatically. See, in the beginning, item list was 0. In the beginning, item list variable was 0. When the set state function has called, that time what happened? Data came in the form of array, and from array it's got assigned to item list. As soon as it will get assigned to item list, the set state function will call again render function. For what purpose? Because earlier the value was 0. If you will not call the render function, then it will display still 0 only. So render function will get called automatically. Then only the 0 is getting replaced by 9. Clear? Render function will be called total 2 times. The first time when you loaded the page, second time after once the data come from the backend and the data will get updated under the state variable. After that again the render function will get called. Okay, next we have to display the list. We have to display the list. So you have idea how to print the single dimensional array. Our variable name is called item list. Let's go here after h3 and print in the form of a paragraph. Use the map method and use in the paragraph. Use the map method and print in the paragraph. For paragraph, you have to give the key property. For paragraph, you have to give the key property. Hope you are printing. After writing, anyone can send me the code. Rendering the item list array, you can send me the code. One person has sent me the code. Okay, so it should work. Hope you are able to list the data. It's coming here. That is inside the first four. Anyone have error? एक बार देखो आप, check once the flow what is happening. If you want to make a note, you can make a note also. Else if you remember, then very good. If you want to keep some alert somewhere, apply the alert. Like 1, 2, 3. Under the constructor, apply the alert. Under the get item, put alert. Under the component did mount, put alert. Under the render function in the beginning, put alert. Keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and see which one is coming first. Okay. Okay, so hope you understood the flow. Go ahead. Anyone have error? Error people, please reply. If you have error, let me know. We can guide you. उनको थोड़ा हेल्प कीजिए. not asked any time. How many times I asked that question? What is your file? Let's say API one dot this. API one dot this. What you are calling that after this? API. Here we have API one as a digit. Here we are writing API one as something else. Class, what is the meaning to come here? If you have an error, you can ask them. If they are coming and sitting something, I don't know how it is benefit to come here. But if API dot JSP is in which folder? Folder API one dot JSP is in which folder? Go to your folder. Project folder. Not here. Folder. Like this. I go to all the images and the public folder. Why to clear delete from yeah, able to delete all the why there are 5 places? Go there, delete from other places. Delete it, go to your class with the delete from there. We can say like API one dot JS cannot find. When you have to show API one dot JS. API one dot JS folder. One side. Class folder. API one. That file now. Where is the API one dot JS? API one dot JS. After this, API one dot that line of job. That kind of problem will come if you are not going to practice at home. Okay. See, if you not do the practice at home, if you not do practice at home, you will lose both. Keep in mind, you will lose both time, money, plus your hope, everything. Okay. The learn React anywhere. No one will explain you clean like this. One example 4-5 times. Still, you are facing problem. You are not doing practice means you are putting your leg in the fire. Okay. Clean and clear for everyone. If you are not doing practice, what I have suggested first day, I suggested no set up 3 project. If you are not doing that too, that meaning one day you have no option. Only you will feel like, oh, I could have followed his instructions. Okay. I should not say more things. People feel bad. But anyhow, you have invested the money, so I should guide you. Okay, go ahead. Till date, whichever the example we have created, it was not randomly. See here, class example, how I have explained you. I have given one example first, state management, how it works. Second, little high level. Third, little high level. Fourth, little high level. Fifth, little high level. Then now sixth, we are moving towards next. In this sequence also, if you not do the assignment, if you are missing the keywords, you are not able to remember, that meaning is only one, you are not doing practice in home. If you not do the practice in home, it's a big problem for you. Okay, go ahead. Working, काम कर रहा है? हाँ? भेजा है ना, फिर से डाउनलोड करके रिप्लेस कर दीजिए. It should be in download folder. Rakesh, you apply your own thought little. You know if condition, no? राजकिशोर, आपको if condition आता है ना, लगा दो आप. Go here, apply if condition in this. If condition लगा दीजिए, आपको कौन भारी चीज है? Apply one if condition. ओके, चलिए लेट्स गो। देखो, लाइक after guiding step by step, you are doing again mistake again and again. What is the value of React in the market? You have not understood still. Okay, the people who are delivering the food in the market as a Swiggy boy, those kind of people got job in the as a software developer because of Angular and React. If you are not putting your effort on this, that meaning you are doing one of the biggest mistake of the life. Okay, if you put your effort, see in one day how many hours you have. One day how many hours you have. Name. After that, age. Name, age, 30 years. Education, MCA. Salary. Okay, let it be till education only. Three field. Now copy the same thing. सीखो यार, learn it. Put your effort. Companies are waiting for you. If you prove your knowledge, so many are there to hire you. Why so many mistakes will happen if you spend a lot of time on that? I'm not discouraging you, just I'm forcing you to learn. Learn it, future will be bright. Ramesh, Ganesh. Raju, Gopi, Madhu, 30 years, 35 years, 31 years, 34 years, 20 years, 4 years, MCA, CA, MA, BCA, something has changed. BA, BCA, come down below, save it. Now we got a file with the three property: name, age, and education. Name, age, and education. Hope the array is ready. Now come to your API 1.js file again. API 1.js file. Okay. Come to the API 1.js file. So this user.json is ready for everyone. I will share you the code in the chat. I'll share you the code in the chat. JSON file code came in the chat. Next, after that, we are going to work on API1.js file. We are going to write one more array here. Array name will be user list. Array name will be user list. User list. Array name will be user list. Array name will be user list. User list is ready. Now come down, write a function called get user. Get user function. Inside the get user function, you will follow the similar fetch method. You will follow the similar fetch method, fetch fetch. Inside that, what you will do? You will write here user dot JSON. After that, dot then you will write here call response. Inside the response, okay, hold on. This response you have to convert into JSON. Response dot JSON. Then again you need to bring from JSON to array. Then all user you have to pass to the set state. In the set state, you will be writing here call all user colon, not all user list colon, user list colon all user list colon all user. Please write the second function. Hope ready? Come down below. You have a function now, component did mount. Under the component did mount, we can call here this dot get user. This dot get user function will help you to bring the data and store to the user list. From user list, we can again follow next and display inside the page. Now we got the data in the form of multidimensional. And what is the array name? Array name is user list. Inside the user list, what are the key you have? Under the user list, the key will be this one, name, age and ed. So when you are going to print that, you have to print the name, age and edu. Name, age and edu. In the tabular format we are going to print. So check this. After that, 4 is already ready. How many is pending? 8 is pending. So we can create a 8 and there we can display in table format. So first write this function. Let me know in the chat, is it done? If you have written the function, then we can write the next. Function if you have written, then we can go ahead. See, sometime I spoke little, not bad word, hard word for your career only. That is not for me. If someone feel bad, then really sorry from my side. Okay, but you have invested the money here. You are coming from somewhere. You are spending your time. There is a lot of hope on that. Your small mistakes, that is little laziness, will lead you to the non-success. Okay, and this is the time where market has demand. You have education. Now little skill is required. If you upgrade your skills little on within less time, then it will be bright career for the future. Else in the future, life is long. How many years? 60, 70 years, no? In that 50, 60 years, so many bad, good days will come. At least if you have a skill, you can lead your life. You can lead your family. Due to your effort, your family can stay in very good lifestyle. Due to your effort, the family can go in the bad situation also. So you have to decide what you want to do. Whether you want to lead your life for next 30 years in a very good manner, or you want to lead your life in somehow. That's the time is now. This 2-3 month time will change your entire structure of life if you take little serious. Okay, that is my intention to force you. So at least due to force also, if you come on the track, you will realize later, yes, he was correct only. He was forcing me to reach till here. Okay. Okay, so hope the function is ready. Now come next. We are going to create a college. Four already we have. We are going to create a 8 division. Class equal to class name equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 8. Inside the 8, you will create a table. The API implementation, instead of creating this JSON file, I have some URL also. Directly I can give the URL, but you will not feel the difference. Local how to call, external how to call. Okay. So I just created some local file to understand. Okay, while implementation somewhere, if someone give me the task, how can I do through the locally in my system only? Table hyphen BORDERED. Okay, write T head TR TH right there. Serial number. Next TH full name. Next TH age. Next TH education. Education. T body we can follow. Open the T body, close the T body. Now you have the data in that. What is the array name? Hope you remember. This dot state dot user list dot map. You can write here user list dot map and write inside user info and comma index. Return tr tr okay. Yeah, I'm using. That I don't know, sir. You can contract. We have not given still to anyone, even no one has asked. No, sir. You can come and check the machine. That more details I can't give you. There is some other person they use that. What are the feature inside? We are not much aware of. Just only swipe it. He will also not give you the details. If you want to come and check. Else leave it. No problem. User info dot name. XTD. User info. User info dot. What is your next age? Next you have user info dot user info dot what is that? EDO. Please check now. Are you getting the list of data that come from the JSON file? Yes. So hope ready. You are getting the list of data. Here. This is coming from where? JSON file. From where? From your computer only. Now suppose you are calling here a URL that is pointing to your public folder directly. People may ask you, this code you have written in SRC folder, class folder, and the file is available under the public folder. How it is linking? Because both are different place. Clear or not? Both are different place, no? This is in which folder? Class folder under the SRC. And that is in public folder out of the SRC. So you can say in React, wherever we have written the file, whether inside folder or folder, no matter, whenever the file execution will happen, all execution will happen in that index.html file. And index.html file is where? Under the public folder. So your JS file is also coming to the index.html. And all the file will come to the index.html only to execute. From where? From SRC, it will get called under the index.html, that is called public folder. So if the execution is happening in public folder, then no matter. This file, which file? JavaScript file is under the src and class folder, but at the time of execution, the path will be pointing to the public folder only. Because of that, the file is here and you are able to execute under the public folder. You are able to call so you can say indirectly my JavaScript file will point to the public folder only. Execution will happen in public folder. Execution happening in public folder, because of that user.json file we are able to call from the public folder. If execution will happen in the class folder, then you cannot call the file from which folder? Public folder. Okay? So if anyone else will give the URL, okay, anyone will give the external URL. I will give you one URL here. Okay, see, this is we are printing in how many column? 8 column. This is 8 column, no? Let's customize that. 8 column reduced to 5. 8 reduced to 5. 8 reduced to 5. Okay, it we have created. It will be little compressed now, but anyhow is able to manage. The first one, how much we are given? First one is 4. Convert into 3. Convert into 3. Remaining will be how much? Remaining will be 4. 4 will be there, no? Let's create a 4 in the last. After this, create a 4 in the last. Div class name equal to -lg-4. Okay. So in this 4 you are going to write. Okay. In this 4 you are going to write. What I will write? Let me see the URL. Sudo's user comment. Let me see in comment how many we have. Okay, only we need to display the name of the everyone. Look at here. I will give a URL in your chat. I sent you one URL in your chat. Please open that URL. URL came to your chat. Open that. It's a jsonplaceholder.com. JSONplaceholder.typicode.com. typico.com/comments. URL came to your chat. Please open that. From this URL, data is coming in multi-dimensional array format. From this URL, data is going to come in multi-dimensional array format. If you remember today, we have created the JSON file. Inside, what are the keys we have? Name, age, and education. Same thing we are printing name, age, education. If you get a chance to read the data from this URL, how many are there? Name, email, ID, name, email, body are there, no? Correct. So I'm not asking to print all. That will be your homework. We need to print only name. Okay. So what we need to do? Look at here. पहले सुन लीजिए. Listen first. We have 4 is pending in the right side. We are going to write a function called get comment. And where is the URL? This is the URL I sent you. Let come. I will help you to write that function. Calling part and printing part is your task. Okay. So let's come to your file. API1.js. Write a function called get comment. Get user you have written. Okay. First you have to create an array in the state. Create an array called comment list. COMMENT comment list colon square bracket. Comment list colon square bracket. Okay, so clear. Now after that, comment list you have created. Array. Come down, write a function here called get comment. Get comment. Okay, sorry, it should be fat arrow function. Get comment equal to fat arrow function. Inside that, you will be writing like this everything. There, URL is different. URL is different. URL is not coming from your local machine. URL is different. This one. Response.json, all comment, all comment, all comment. You will pass to where? Comment list. All comment need to go to the comment list. This get comment I will call here. This dot get comment. Save your file and from the comment list display the name of all user inside the right side using paragraph. Display the length. Display the length of comment list. Display the length of comment list, and after that from the comment list display only name of all user in paragraph. The first inside the 4 how you have printed the paragraph. Item list you have printed. Similar way in the last 4 you will print the name from the comment list. Let's do that. Once you create the list, please let me know. Hope 2% have ready. Anyone else? Printing. Anyone wrote? Please send me the code once. Okay, one person has written already. So many names will come, 400-500. Okay, then working well. Don't worry, React is not difficult. It's easy only. If you take the scenario of government people who prepare for the government job, syllabus are infinite. They don't know which subject they will ask. But in front of you, syllabus is fixed. Only one. What is that? React. If React is fixed, then interview is confirmed. If React is clear, then interview is job is confirmed. So just your target is so close. How soon you can shoot it, up to you. I'm guiding you daily step by step how to shoot. Now target is in front of you. You need to plan. Okay. Then again, today is which day? Okay, Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. No problem. Okay, I will share you two more URL. Please read the data from there and display in your page. You will use the two component. You have already one project folder, right? Project folder is there or not? We have. In that, I send you the URL. Read the data from this URL and display inside your page. Two component you will create separate. One is called my user, another one is called todos. And in that you read the data from there and display. Now we got idea, no, how to read the data from somewhere. This is called API in React. This is called API, web service implementation. We are right now only reading. Tomorrow we'll learn how to post it. We will set up our own JSON server. Hold on, one video URL is there. I will give you. That is how to set up a JSON server. Just you follow once. Okay, see, don't only watch the video. Okay, watch the video and implement it. Okay, after implementation, you implement once from your side. Tomorrow I will implement here. What is that? We are going to learn the posting the data using JSON. This you are getting the data. Posting will happen. Now question is where to post. We don't have any service. So we can write our own API. Using JSON server, we can write our own API. There we can post, read, write, update, delete everything. Okay, so where is that? One video should be here, how to set up a JSON server. One video should be here, how to set up a JSON server. It's here. Okay, so copy the link address. In that, maybe I spoke little fast, but you can try it. Up try kijiye. So URL I sent to your chat. Okay, URL I sent to your chat. Here, this is one. If you go to the playlist in the channel only, if you click on playlist, one link is there. JSON server API based video material something. How to set up a JSON server. In that written how to set up a JSON server, how to create a mock API. Just 15 minutes video only. You can check, see once, see and implement. Tomorrow, once we start the class, we will set up again here. But once you tried from your side, you will not be surprising something new. You will feel okay. I did something like this. It will be repeated. Okay, go ahead and see you tomorrow.